Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video I will be sharing with you how you can trade using the support and resistance zone. Okay, plus you will be getting a free trading tool right from here. If you stay till the end of this video, I will be giving you a free trading tool right from here. It's very easy to do, and of course you're going to love every part of this training session. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So before we do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal research and practice a lot. Okay, I love practicing. Okay, practice on your demo account to know how it works before you dive into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, I will be checking out how to identify or how to trade using the support and resistance zone. Okay, and of course I will be giving out a free trading tool right from here. So let's go straight to the chart. Okay, here is a chart for boom 1000, and of course let me see if I can get a chart for crash 1000 also. Okay, here is a chart for crash 1000 also. Let me remove the grid so that we get to see it very well. I'm going to zoom it in a bit. I think this is cool. Okay, so let me take it down to 30-minute time frame to help us have a better look at what we are right here. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, so I'm going to go back to boom 1000. This is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame, and of course just like you guys have known. Okay, let me go back to this doc so that we get to learn one or two things right from here. Okay, all these trading assets or trading okay, let me use the word asset. All these trading assets are trend trading assets. Okay, so once you know the right trend, then you will be able to make some good amount of profit right there. Okay, but the support and resistance zone is also very important because it will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, it is easier to sell from the resistance zone, and it is also easier to buy from the support zone, and I'm going to prove that to you. You can see when it got to this resistance zone, it was easy for it to sell. You can see it sold for a very long time. The same thing happened. Okay, it has gotten there around there and it still got there around there too, was unable to break out from there. So you can see it still started selling right from there. So that makes it more important for us to know the impact of the resistance and support zone. Now check out this. Around this support zone, it started buying right from here also. You can see it bought for a very long time. In short, there was no bearish movement. I mean, no much. I mean, we don't really have bearish candle right here. All are bullish candles. Okay, you can imagine, guys, you coming in at this point and you're going to make a lot of profit right from here. So it is easier when you buy from the support zone and when you sell from the resistance zone. But the problem we always have is how to identify some of these zones. Okay, that is where we usually have major problems. Okay, so that is why it is important you understand some of these things. Okay, so in order to make it very simple for each and every one of us, there is a custom made indicator which I will be introducing today, and this is the custom made indicator. It is called the supply and demand indicator. It will be used to identify the support and resistance zone. All you just need to do is just to drag it to the chart and click on OK. Okay, it will bring out all the necessary supply and supply and all the necessary support and resistance zone. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, it should have brought it out. Okay, let me see again. Let me do that again, guys. Okay, let me see inputs. Okay, so after dragging it to the chart, it's going to appear on the chart like this. So let me take it back to a higher time frame so that we get to see how it looks like. Okay, you can see it right here. The very red version is the resistance zone, and this purple is also a resistance zone, but it is weak. Red is very fouled, so you can see the highlights of exactly what they stand for. Okay, so we also have the untested and tested. Okay, so all these are very important. So if you should go backward, you're going to see green. Okay, you can see green right here. It is a support zone, and of course this is an untested support zone. Okay, so all these are very important. Let's go to higher time frame so that we get to see it properly, and I'm going to zoom in a bit. Okay, so that we get to see what I'm talking about. So you can see here are the resistance zone, and you can always check out for this the strength. Okay, this one is very fouled, and of course you can check this too, is also very fouled, but here is a support zone, and it is weak. This is untested. It is also a support zone. You can see at every support zone it moves back up, and at the resistance zone it goes down, but there are some cases whereby it will break out from that resistance or support zone. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, you can also use it for other assets. This is it on crash, and of course you can see the way it works. Okay, so we have the support zone, the resistance zone, and of course check it out. Here is a resistance zone, here is another resistance zone. You can see when it got there it came down, when there it got there again, and of course came down. And here is a support zone also. Okay, this also should be a support zone, probably because it broke out from there, around there. That is why it was removed. Okay, so all that are very important. It will help you to be able to trade successfully right from there. Okay, now you can also use this indicator, this supports support and resistance indicator with the 3M train milker trading tool. Okay, you can see it right here. You being placed on the 3M train milker trading indicator. Right from this resistance zone we can see that it's actually stopped right there, and it started selling, so till it got to this region, which should be a support zone, pull back, and here is a resistance zone. Of course it broke out from that support zone, and that is why it turned the support zone into a resistance zone around here. Okay, so that is very important. So it is important for you to know that support zone can be broken, resistance zone can be broken. It depends on the movement of the market. Okay, or it depends on the movement of the market. Okay, it might not break it immediately, but it will definitely come back and break it, and once it is broken, then it will change it to either support or resistance zone, depending on the one that was broken. Okay, so all these are very important. You can imagine you coming in around here, it will give you the opportunity to sell till it got to this support zone. It pull back, you can still come in around there and still sell again. You can see it got to here, you can still come in around here and still sell again till you finish up with the trend. So this can help you to make a lot of profits with this. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every bit of this support and resistance indicator, and you will be able to trade between the support and resistance indicator right from here. It is very easy to use. Okay, now I promise you that you can have access to this. Now let me show you this. Okay, for you to have access to this, okay, sorry about this. For you to have access to this, you need to do this within the next 24 hours. You need to subscribe, like, and share the video within the 24 hours. And of course, you join the Telegram channel and you give a beautiful comment below this video. Okay, and you send a done message to me on WhatsApp. Then I will now let you know how to download the trading indicator, the support and resistance trading indicator. I will share with you how to download it. Probably it will be via your email. download, or I will send it to you on WhatsApp directly, or probably I will upload it to the Telegram channel. But all these must be done within 24 hours. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.